Kith is most probably the most important word used in the Kashmiri language. It generally denotes a question like how. Using kith, you can make multiple words in Kashmiri. First such example is kithkain. Kithkain can have multiple meanings depending upon the sentence in which you are using this word. Generally, kithkain denotes how. Let us now look at several examples of using kithkain in a Kashmiri sentence. Ye kithkain sapdev. Ye kithkain sapdev. How did it happen? Aim kithkain tulye nakhas. Aim kithkain tulye nakhas. How did he pick this on his shoulders? Ts kitkain tarak gar wine. Ts kitkain tarak gar wine. How will you come back home now? Ts kitkain chuk examus khatra tayari karan. Ts kitkain chuk examus khatra tayari karan. How are you preparing for the exams? Ts kitkain hekak ye vanit. Ts kitkain hekak ye vanit. How can you say that? Ts kitkain ak yor. Ts kitkain ak yor. How did you come here? Aim kitkain kor 10th pass. Aim kitkain kor 10th pass. How did he pass the 10th exams? Amis kitkain banei sarkar nokri. Amis kitkain banei sarkar nokri. How did he get a government job? चे kitkain hechit gad chalawin. चे kitkain hechit gad chalawin. How did you learn to drive a car?